Hello everybody, welcome back to Sparkle Web. My name is George Okunamat. So in this video I want to show you how to host your Django website in GitHub. So as a developer excuse me, you need to know how to host your website or to save your code on GitHub. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So this is the demo application I've built. Okay, it's just it's a debt management system where users can put the email, the name of the customer. They can also put the amount and also payment date as well. So let's go ahead and check out this website before we pushed in this website, our code into GitHub. So I'm going to log in as a user. I'm going to sign in. Now this is the website. This is how it looks. It's just a simple website. It's a welcome Okunama to your dashboard. It's your dashboard. So currently I have two total debtors. I want to integrate income and expenditure in this same app, but I'm still working on it. So, and this dashboard I've not yet tweaked it to meet I want to use it for income and expenditure. So businesses, once a user sign up, they are automatically redirected to their dashboard, and they will see their business name, the owner, which is their username, their business name, the address, the phone number, and also the date created. So like me, I created this account on the 23rd of December 2025, as you can see. So I have here 2 customers, and mind you, every user will only see their own customers, okay, and their debtors. This Okunamat will not have access to see any other users information on this website. So every user sees only data pertaining to them, to their username. So now if you come back to, you have your debt. Now users can add debts. Okay, currently we only have 2 debtors here. Okay, and the name of the customer, the amount collected, reason for collecting this amount or loan, and the date collected. So you can edit and you can also delete from here. Now you can as well go here and add new. I can add, these are customers that you need to add from here. If you add customer, the first name, email, phone number, address, the gender, and you click on add. After adding, you come to your debt. You can go now and select the debt, select the user, the customer, the amount, the category, which is the reason for that debt, and you click on enter. It's going to come here, and you can also as well as edit this, and also you can delete this. Then you come to payment. If these debtors have finally come to pay their money, you can also come here and add payment. You select the user, for example this one, you put the amount, means of method of payment, you choose either cash transfer or debit card. You put, if the person owes 10,000 and paid 5,000, so the balance is 5,000 and the status will be part paid, we paid part, or if the person paid total of the 10,000 collected, you say paid and you add it. It's going to come here. As you can see, the first user here collected 10,000. Let's go ahead and look at the debts collected 10,000, but in payment the person paid 5,000. So the balance is 5,000, which is the status is part. So it's left with 5,000 to pay. Once the person complete payment, you can come here and edit, and you remove the total amount paid. You can say okay, 10,000. The person completed his money, and here you can leave it as blank, and you come here and say paid, and you update. Oh, sorry, we are having issue. All right, you said 0, rather say 0, and you update it. So as you can see, it needs to have something inside. So this person does not have any balance because the person paid every of the money he or she was owing, and the method was a catch. Okay, if I want to go and say this person is still owing, let's say the person is still paid 5,000 naira. Okay, paid 5,000 naira, and it's still owing us 5,000 naira. So it's part, and we go back and update. So you see the balance is 5,000, amount paid is 5,000. So now you can as well log out. So the purpose of this video is to show us how to push this our website using Django. This is my code using Django. From Django to you deploy it to your GitHub. So without any further ado, all you need to do, just come over to github.com and you sign up. Okay, you can say github.com, github.com, you enter. So it's going to take you to, because I'm already logged in, that is why it's still prompting me to my login. But you can go ahead and create your account. It's very simple. Create account, just need your email and your password. So having done that, all you need to do, head back to Git. Okay, to Git. You come to the official website gitscm.com. You go ahead and click on Git. So you need to use, we do want to use Git Bash to render or to create to deploy this our website to our GitHub. Okay, so all you need to do is just to come over to your Git. Okay, you can say install or however you want to do. So let's just go ahead and check out. Okay, you say Git, you can come to community, come to tools, community. Okay, let's just do download Git. Let's just go ahead and do download Git. Okay, so download Git, look at it here, you click on it. All right, so it's going to ask you to choose your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows, or you can also choose Mac or Linux, but for me, I'm using Windows. Now once you come here, you can go ahead and choose your operating system, and you go ahead and come here, Git for Windows setup, and you go ahead and click. It's going to show you a drop down for you to download. Okay, it's going to start download. As you can see, it's downloading, so I need to stop it. Okay, I don't want it because I already have mine. So once you come, you look at your Windows operating system. I'm using 64 gig. Just click on it, it's going to download. So after downloading, you just install the Git. Then, because we want to use Git to deploy this. All right, so I've opened my Git. So the first command you need is that but before we go ahead and deploy our app to Git, all right, so to GitHub, I want to do something here. I'm coming to my terminal. Okay, what I want to do is that, I don't know what happened, my terminal just change pattern. All right, but let's just go ahead and work with it. So I want to create a requirement.txt. All I need to do is say pip freeze greater than requirement.txt. You go ahead and click on enter. For you, your terminal will be down here, but I don't know what I just pressed and it gave me this. So if I come here, I should see my requirement.txt here. Look at it here. If I click, you are going to see all the applications I'm using. I'm using white noise, I'm using Gunicon and the rest. Okay, so having done that, we are very much good to go. All right, so let's go back to Git. The first thing you need to do, you come to your GitHub, you come to new. You want to create a new repository. You give it a name. Mine is I want to say debt management. All right, so then you come to create repository and you wait. Is loading. Okay, so by default, GitHub is going to give you all these code. This is what the code you are going to use to to run your command to push your applications to GitHub. But I'll just go here. The first you need to do, you need to say git initialize init. Say git init. You enter. It's going to initialize. It's for now. It's an empty repository. So the next thing, say git add. Add you space and full stop, and you click on enter. It's going to add every of your files. Just give it some time. It's going to add every of those files in my Django project files into our GitHub. All right, so just wait, hold on a bit. It's giving us a warning. It could not open repository after local application data permission denied. Okay, permission denied. So let's just wait and see what happens next. Let's just wait. Okay, so the reason why we're having this error, okay, now you don't just open GitHub like Git Bash. All you need to do, navigate, go to your folder where you have your program or your project. Okay, for me this is my project. Let me look for my project. Look at it, depth, you right click and you go ahead and look at it, open with batch. Okay, so this is why we're having that error. So I just wanted to assure us that you don't just open it, you open it through your project folder. Now let's go ahead and initialize this. Okay, now as you can see, it's going to work. The next thing you say git add. Just wait and see how it's going to add now. All right, so as you can see, it has added all our files already, so we are not having any error. So the next command we need to execute is to say git commit you space -m, and you can give it a name under single quotes or double quotes. I will say first commit. You close it and you go and click enter. So all right, so as you can see, it has created all our files. As you can see, these are my template account. Every of my files in my Django project, it has pushed it to my GitHub account. Okay, now the next thing you need to do now, you say git remote. All right, git remote at origin. So for you to add your origin, you come to your GitHub and you copy your address. Okay, you copy your address and come back and paste it here. Then you click on enter. Okay, it have added. So the next thing you need to do now, we need to say git push -u origin main and click on enter. All right, so you say fail to push some refs to. So let's just go ahead and check our GitHub. Let's refresh. Let's come here. Okay, this is the debt management system. It failed. So let's look at what we have here. Okay, git branch. Okay, let's copy this branch, go back and paste it here. Okay, all right, so you can as well use this. So we're now going to push this now to our just wait a bit. Okay, all right, so it has pushed. So let's go ahead and refresh our GitHub. So as you can see, we successfully pushed our Django project into our GitHub account. So this is what we have. We have depth database, depth app. We have SQL database, manage your file requirement TXT. So if I come here as well, you're going to see all the files as well. Okay, let's see the files. So we have depth, dev app, we have this manage your pi and record.txt. So the same thing we are having here. Okay, so this is how you can go ahead and you see I say first commit. This is our first commit. Okay, what we wrote first commit. So this is how you can push your Django project into your GitHub. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to subscribe, hit that like button, and also comment and also share this video to